Welcome to my channel. My name is Silenthia, and I'm your mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am Cassie J Budgets and Blogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. Today I'm going to stuff some savings challenges. All of these savings challenges are in our Etsy shop, so you're more than welcome to snag them. And also, sometimes we do freebies from our shop. Make sure you turn your notifications on so that way you can be notified anytime we decide to do that freebie. So let's see here. We have $10, $15, $20 here, and I'm pretty sure I don't have change in this one because the last time we came together we just added some savings challenges in here. So how about we, how much is in here? Not enough. All right, so I'm gonna hush my face so I can speed through this because when I speak I sound like a chipmunk. So let's see here. Okay, so we've gotten some change. Not exactly enough change. However, oh, I think I have $5 in my savings challenge I finished yesterday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I do. So I'm just going to set this off to the side so I can put that back in my binder. Okay, so we have, it looks like we have a $2 spicy in here, which I'm fine with leaving one of those in there. We have a lot of savings challenges to get through and not a whole lot of money. Yeah, let's just go for it. We're going to do how we've been doing, roll the dice, and see which envelope is getting $2. I've been really wanting to pull out my players cards, but at this point, it's a little bit risky, and then it makes it where I'm more anxious. So how about we just roll the dice? 6. 1. 6. 6. Oh boy. 6. I think this one. Number 6 is out. We completed it. 1. Okay. How about another number dice? 5. Okay. Just trying to make sure my dice isn't broken. Number 1. Number 4. Oh, number 4 just needed $1. Yay! Okay, so we're completing a couple of them. 2. 2. All right, so we're out of money, which means we need to move on to see how much our savings challenges are getting. So our first one is the white and gold marble. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6 is what we're adding today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've gone ahead and punched some holes in a couple of them because with the laminate, the way that things are working out, the ink is just transferring, which it's going to happen, but I'd rather it be on the outside of an envelope or an outside of my dashboard or something like that so I can clean it easily. When it's on the inside, it's so hard to clean. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, $9. So let's take 1, 2, 3, 4, $5 here. Boom. All right, hopefully that's dry enough where it's not going to stain my dashboard, but if it does, it'll be a lot easier to clean off. All right, so we got the $2 spicy in our next savings challenge, which is $2, $3, $4, $5. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, completes this savings challenge. So we are going to take this savings challenge here, and let's count up how much we've saved in total. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15 is what we have in our Nubian Queen. Yes, so exciting, so very exciting. I haven't been able to do another sinking funds cash stuffing, and we need money. So that's why I'm super excited we're getting them done. So the Cheetah didn't get anything today, but it does have $10 there. All right, and our Fierce Queen, which is our werewolf savings challenge, did get completed today. We added one last dollar. Yes. All right. So we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 bucks. So much love to see this. Fantastic. Another one completed. All right, and now we will move on to our March Christmas Savings Challenge. It is a monthly, and we saved $2 today. And this one is a roll and save, so whatever I save for the day is what I mark as what I've rolled. So, all right. Now, in the savings challenge, I have 10, 11, 12, $13. Yay! So this one I'm going to count all together at the end of the year. I may have to complete my November and December in the month of December, or try to figure out how to break up the last few months, because I kind of want to count it in November so I can use it for Christmas. But we'll see. We have a little bit of ways to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bucks is what we have here to complete this savings challenge. Trying to mix it up here. 3, 4, 5, and 6. We completed another savings challenge, which is the tattoo collection, melanin tattoo. And now in total we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 bucks is what this savings challenge saved me. And you guys should know that for these savings challenges you're seeing, like for instance a tattoo or the Nubian, there are savings challenges linked in our Etsy that if you're challenging yourself to save $150 or $133 or something like that, there is a specific number. I choose to use the blank option because you can make it the amount, whatever amount you want, $1, $5, $20, $100, whatever. But I like it because I typically make all of my savings challenges $1. And Tara from Journey to Wisdom and Wealth was saying to complete a savings challenge in one of my videos. And I took it and ran with it because I interpreted, finish all of your savings challenges before you pull more savings challenges. And I'm not sure, I don't think that's quite what she meant, but that's what I gathered from it. And because of that, I was truly inspired to continue on doing these savings challenges before I add more savings challenges to my binder. So we have a few left, and hopefully they will be completed here soon. A little ways to go on the Cheetah for sure, but hopefully that, all works out for me. I want to thank you all so much for stopping by. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.